Alam mo, that's a very interesting question. Ano ang mas mahalaga? Time or money? Oras o pera? Alam mo, yung oras, pag yan lumipas, hindi na siya babalik.
Yes.
Pero yung pera, pag pinagtrabahuhan mo, pwede mong kitahin ulit.
Yes.
Most important commodity in life is not money, it's time.
Yes.
Because we have been trading all our time to earn money. Kaya ka pumapasok araw-araw, nauubos yung oras mo para kumita ng pera.
Yes.
That's why we've been encouraging lahat talaga ng mga nagtatrabaho. I repeat, work is not bad. But work should be a means for you to earn money so that the money you earn should be put on assets and investments.
Yes.
Why? Kasi pag may asset at investment ka na, that is the time you will now create the money.
Yes.
And doon mo na masasabi sa sarili mo na dahil may pera kang kinikita, you can now start to, trade the money that you have to buy more assets, create more money, and dadating yung time, hindi ka na mag-uubos ng oras kakatrabaho.
Yes.
Dahil this time, ang nangyayari, yung kinikita mo, dahil kumikita ka na lang maganda, yung oras na napupunta na sa family mo, sa mas mahalagang bagay at sa mga mas priority.
Yes.
That's why it's important to transition from working to having your own business or joining a business program and opportunity para kumita ng mas maraming pera. Diba? Earn your
Yes.
money through working, then buy assets. Assets will create more money, and then money will now replace your time to trade with the time that you have.
Yes.